Team one.
Wait a minute, I gotta give out directions.
I'm just gonna separate them in teams.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, this is team one. Team one gathering right here. Mike Barrett.
Okay, listen, this is very important. 6 people on a team. Whoever eats their donut the fastest is the winner from that particular team. Okay? Then we're going after 4 or 5 teams have gone, we're going to have a winners round, and each winner from each team is going to eat again in a donut.
There you go.
Can they hold the string?
No, that'd be too easy.
Justin, you're not making out with that
thing. Come on, Kevin.
Mary, appreciate
You got a winner.
You almost got it.
The rest of the secret is to dislodge the donut so you can eat the rest off the floor. Okay.
All right, this is like Survivor.
Hey, Robert Renee. Come on, Carla.
Robert Renee, gotta show me.
There you go. Hey, she probably got a bite.
She got me.
Keep on trying, Shirley. Again, Shirley.
Come on, one bite, Shirley.
Come on, Renee, one bite.
Come on, Robert. Oh, that's going in.
Yes, come on.
Ready? 1, 2, go! Come on, Linda. We have faith.
There you go, first bite. Come on, Marlene.
Marlene, you're not going to lick it away. She's doing it justice.
We got hers off.
Look at Melinda, she's doing it right.
You said that.
Ignore the comments.
Randy's almost there too.
Oh, Randy.
There you go.
Marlene, finally.
Hey, don't say too many times. You're going to nail us when we're up there.
Somebody finish Jack.
No.
Randy just got to get your mouth.
Let's get close.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, he does. Oh, still don't let you. Somebody hurry.
Randy's almost done.
Those are the 10.
Randy's jerking it. There you go.
Hold it everywhere.
Clean mouth.
Randy.
You got one mouth.
Oh.
Randy.
Are we going to pay for puns after this?
Get a clean mouth, Randy. Hurry up. Come on, Jerry, right in the middle. Randy, let me get
Man, Judy.
Judy, go! Judy! Yum, yum, yum. Oh, hurry up, Judy. Remember, if you win, you get to do it again. You're all down now, just about. Come on, Judy. Go, Titus. Get that ball up there. Okay, Judy, clean up. Mikey's got it.
What's going to happen? I'm going to finish this and I'll leave that.
Chew, Mikey, swallow. Swallow, clean mouth. One more time, Judy. Come on, Judy. Get that mouth open now. Go. 1, 2, go.
I know.
Go, Randy. Go, Randy. Come on, Randy. Come on, Randy. Go. Yeah, that's what you have to do.
Okay, there you go. Off the screen. He done figured it out.
Oh! Careful there! That's just dangerous.
Go, Nate.
Oh, Kim, almost a winner.
He's not got a clean mouth yet.
Not a clean mouth yet.
You still got a chance. Come on, Randy. One minute for you.
Come on, Mike.
Good day, swallow, you win.
Two. Swallow, Renee.
Almost